Hey everyone! Welcome back to Crypto Income Secrets, your go-to channel for simple, actionable crypto advice. The cryptocurrency market is booming, and more people than ever are jumping into crypto trading. But if you're a beginner, it can feel overwhelming. Where do you even start? Don't worry. Today I'm breaking down the 5 most important things every beginner should know before trading cryptocurrencies. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be way more confident about entering the crypto market. First things first, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Unlike traditional money, crypto is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates on blockchain technology, which is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others like Ethereum, Solana, and Cardano. Before you trade, take time to learn how blockchain works, why crypto has value, and the differences between coins and tokens. This foundation will help you make smarter trading decisions. Crypto markets are highly volatile. Prices can swing 10%, 20%, or even more in a single day. If you're used to stable investments like bonds or savings accounts, this can be shocking. But here's the key: don't let short-term price swings scare you. Many beginners panic sell when prices drop, only to regret it later. Instead, focus on long-term trends, set realistic goals, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Not all crypto exchanges are the same. Some are beginner-friendly, like Binance, while others are built for advanced traders. Check below the video to sign up on Binance. You will get bonuses on your first deposit. Here's what to look for. Security. Does the exchange have a good track record? Fees. Trading fees can eat into profits, so compare before choosing. Supported coins. Do they offer the cryptocurrencies you want to trade? Ease of use. Beginners should start with simple interfaces like Coinbase before moving to advanced platforms like Binance or Kraken. Speaking of exchanges, I personally use Binance because of its low fees, huge selection of coins, and strong security. If you're new, you can sign up using my link in the description below. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Trading without a strategy is like driving blindfolded. You will crash. Here are 3 common approaches. HODLing, buy and hold for years, ignoring short-term dips. Day trading, buy and sell within the same day, high risk, high reward. Swing trading, hold for days or weeks, capitalizing on market trends. Your strategy depends on your risk tolerance and goals, but whatever you do, avoid emotional trading. Stick to your plan. Crypto is decentralized, which means if you get hacked or lose access to your wallet, there's no customer service to call. That's why security is crucial. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication, 2FA. Never share your private keys or recovery phrases. Consider a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for large holdings. Beware of scams. Fake websites, phishing emails, and too good to be true schemes are everywhere. If you ignore security, you could lose everything. And there you have it, 5 essential tips for crypto beginners. Remember, the crypto market is exciting but risky. Start small, keep learning, and don't rush. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Crypto Pro Tips, and hit that bell so you don't miss new videos. Sign up for Binance using my link in the description. It helps the channel grow. Drop a comment below. What's the first cryptocurrency you're planning to trade? Let's discuss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy trading!